Hello, my name is Ellie Stein, and here is my intro video. So, just some background on me. I am originally from Spearville, Kansas. I work in Ellis, Kansas. I live in Hays. I wasn't ready to move back to small town America, and I went to college in Hays, and I just never left. Hobbies, I play with my dog, do lots of family activities with my family and with my little family that I have. Um, Recently started golfing, so that's a new thing that I get mad at because I'm not very good at it. Uh, any type of sports things. I also like to read, and I've kind of started doing puzzles with the whole quarantine thing. My family background. So my last name is Stein, so obviously that's some German heritage there. My dad's side is German, my mom's side is German, and also Romanian. Um, we don't have a ton of traditions that we do for my dad's side. My mom's side, every Christmas we make streusel, or no, not streusel, but strudel. Um, and they also make piggies, which are, I think the German word is Glaschkis, maybe? I'm not sure. And we also make green bean and dumpling soup. I don't remember the German name for that, though. Um, Words to describe myself: teacher, coach, daughter, sister, girlfriend, stepmomish. My boyfriend and I aren't married. He has a 5-year-old kid. So I'm kind of a stepmom, but also not really. I don't know. I have a dog, so I'm a dog mom. And the last word would be work in progress, because I have found that I fail at a lot of things, but I'm trying to get better at whatever I'm doing. Images that mean something to me. There's my boyfriend and I. Aren't we cute? As I said, he has a 5-year-old daughter. Um, I'm very proud of her and whatnot, but I felt like it was weird to put her in this presentation. I didn't want to put her on YouTube, basically. There is me. I played basketball at Fort Hays. I'm in the center there, yelling. Um, Playing basketball at Fort Hays. I played for 2 years, and it was my favorite 2 years of basketball ever. And I mean, growing up, playing basketball at the college level was my biggest dream. So I got it. I did it. Now I have to go move on to my next dream. Um, there, that's me and my parents on my graduation day. I put that on here because that was one of the happiest days of my life. Undergrad, I mean, it was a lot, and I was very proud of myself, and I think they were very proud of me as well. Okay, that handsome boy is my dog. As you can see, his name is Jax. He's a good boy. And he's really cute. It was different. He's not blind. People ask that. He's not blind. He's just cute. So I went from washed out basketball player to coach. It is my third year coaching as a head high school basketball coach. My first year teaching, I was a head junior high coach. But moving on to that. Oh, yes, this very flattering picture is from last year. So last year at the age of 25, I had to get back surgery. So that was for my back surgery, and I did that in August. And then in January, I had to get my appendix taken out. So last year, I learned how important it is to have your health and mobility. So that is why I threw that in there. There is my crazy family. They're awesome. I love them. They're goofy. They're the same type of weird as me. Older sister, dad, mom. There's me. Get a girl. My little brother and my little sister. We do a lot of family time together. One of the biggest things we do is we go to the lake a lot. My parents got a cabin there this year at Cedar Bluff this year. So we like to fish and tube and all that stuff. That's my new sister-in-law. She wasn't in the family picture, but she is in this one. So yeah, there's my awesome family and your girl killing it. And my last image is not an image, it's a quote. So I teach math, and I really like this quote. I made it up into a poster in my room where there's half of a basketball coming out and the other half is a protractor. And I mean, as you can see, struggling in mathematics is not the enemy any more than sweating is the enemy in sports. It is a part of the process and a clear sign of being in the game. It's a great quote. I love it because typically kids struggle in math and they don't like to struggle. And I want to teach them that it is okay to struggle. You can still be successful and still work through it. So, hopefully, you now know a little more about me.